Welcome to Cool Guns. Let's check out this new Panzer Bullpup EGX 500 Bullpup 12 gauge shotguns shells. Guidebook has the charging handle and some sights. It has normal AR-15, probably flip up style sights. Has some tools. Looks like a really small, cheap buttstock wrench tool. And then I guess this is the charging handle. That'll slide in. It's kind of cool. Has a bunch of holes to lighten it up. And then it comes with two magazines. Two of these magazines. That's a pretty cool looking magazine. I haven't ever seen a magazine that cool looking. Does have this guide right here. Oh, I bet you could put one on a rail as a button push. We'll have to look and see where we can store that. It could probably be stored on the gun or something. That'll be cool to check out. It comes with probably a little cleaning kit. No. Comes with two different chokes. We got a 1/2 inch modified choke and a 1-to-1 full choke. It says no slugs or sabots and not for use of steel shot. So no steel shot, slugs, sabots, that type of stuff in this full choke. You'll want to use your modified half choke or the choke that's already in it. Okay, this one comes all wrapped up in plastic. And again, this is from Panzer Arms. What do you think of that pattern? That's pretty cool. It's definitely got some heft to it. Oh, it's got a cool angled front handle. Got a nice long Picatinny rail. Put a magazine in. I don't see. Oh, here we go. No. Discharge is. It's where the loading handle is. I wonder what that is for. It's like a lock or something. It does have a fake suppressor on it. Oh wow. That's too bad. Definitely mars up the barrel when you twist off the fake suppressor. Got a lot of threads on there. Has like a little ring in there. Yep. Guess that's some sort of fake suppressor locking lug or barrel support. But unfortunately, the threads are that deep. This goes right here and it's not threaded at all. So I'll have to check out how that needs to function. Kind of like a lockdown for the fake suppressor. Safe and fire. That's a tough safety. Oh, that's a really tough safety. Here's your bolt lock back, lock open, and your mag release. It's definitely a lot heavier than I thought it would be. Oh, maybe this is an extra charging handle. That's just an extra charging handle unless you lose one. Now the grip's right here. I can't really get my thumb up and over very easily because this kind of blocks it. Kind of see how the grip is in here and the body kind of comes out, so it's definitely hard to flip that safety. Can't really reach it very good. See if it's easier left-handed. Yeah, that's still pretty tough. Got some rails for some side stuff. Long top rail. Charging handle. Very stiff safety. Oh, I bet that's where the other mag goes. Let's check it out. No. Kind of cool if you had your mag under there, and you had empty empty mag that it would fill up. Definitely kind of gets in the way of your wrist right there. Look, I can't even reach that safety with. So I've had thumb surgery. So with that magazine right there, that's very hard for me to put that safety on and off. Let's see if my left thumb's a little bit longer. No, that's still really hard. Your wrist is being blocked by the magazine and you're trying to get your thumb around the top. Oh, that is really tough. That's really hard. You need like a little slotted, that needs to be all a slotted groove so you have access to the safety. That's really hard safety to access. Ooh. That's tough to pull back. Definitely a lot tougher to pull back when the magazine's engaged. I don't think these mags are going to drop on their own. And there's no mag release on the right side, only on the left. Right here. Yeah, that magazine is definitely not going to come out on its own. See how tough it is to lock it back. Definitely a lot tougher than typical AR-15 to maneuver all the controls, that's for sure. Oh, this is a cool buttstock though. Undo that. Raise up the buttstock. Didn't loosen it enough. Tighten it back down. Nice cheek plate. So this is a 12 gauge, maximum 3-inch shells. The EGX 500 by Panzer, and it's a Bullpup. So it's got the foregrip angled hand grip. Nice rail. And how you take it down. Oh, the takedown lever right there. I think I have to, yeah. The bolts forward. Definitely can't push the front out. And there's definitely more than one bolt. Taking this down, oh, I think that's just, I don't know. Oh, that bolt's almost impossible to get back in. Probably gonna have to have some tools to be able to take this apart and clean it. Not going to be able to do it the same as an AR-15, but I'm also not as knowledgeable of this style of gun to know how to take the whole thing down. Probably just take it. See, because this isn't the same piece right here. So it looks like there's a back piece, and a front piece, but the bottom looks like it's solid all the way through the buttstock. Let's check this out. Okay. I can pull that one out. Oh, I can't pull these ones out. It's working back and forth a few times to try to loosen them up. Well, fits all the way through. Cool. That should be all the way out. The back wants to come off. You have to take this off completely. The front doesn't want to come off. A little bit different. Maybe that's a lock for the system. I don't know. Kind of weird how it's in that little rubber thing that's not too great looking. Well, let's put the pins back in. Still looking good. It will be definitely fun to shoot though. This is a little heavier than my Remington shotgun, so the 12 gauge recoil and kick shouldn't be any worse, but maybe with this small barrel it might be It might be worse, who knows. I haven't shot one of these before. So thanks for watching. There it is.